Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic, comparing fractions. Look, here is two question and where we will find out which fraction is larger. This type of question is very important for academic exams or any kinds of job exams. Let's start. We know fractions like fraction, fraction is like numerators over denominators. And these two question, look, first question, the denominators are same, and the second one, the denominators are different. In this case, we have to know something. Look, first we compare the fraction with same denominators. Check the denominators, make sure the denominators are the same. Compare the numerators. The fraction with the larger number or with the larger numerator is the larger fraction. It means, look, in the first question, here all denominators are same, is a 7. So, as per rule, we have to find out the larger numerator, because larger numerator is a larger fraction in the same denominators. So, look, here 3 is less than 5, 5 is less than 8, and 8 is less than 16. In this case, the here is saying which fraction is larger. So, in this case, we can write similar thing, 3 by 17 less than 5 by 17 less than 8 by 17, and finally 16 by 17 is a larger. So, large equals to 16 divide 17. This is only for same denominators. Our second question, look, here is 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 1 by 6, 5 by 8. Which fraction is larger? This case, we have to do something. Look, find the least common denominators, LCD. The LCD is the smallest multiple that both numerators share. Okay, so first here is 4, 5, 6, 8. We can write like this, 4, 5, 6, 8. So first we divide by 2, here is 2, 5, 3 and 4. Again we divide by 2. 2 is a smallest prime number. So here is 1, then 5, then 3, then 2. Look, now all the numbers are prime number. So in this case, we can write like this, 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 2. So 2 times 2, 4, 20, 60 and 1, 20, right? So the LCD is 120. Okay, now look, we first find the least common denominator. So least common denominator, which is 120. Convert to equivalent fractions. Convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction with the LCD as the denominator. So look, 3 divide 4. This one we can write 4 times. What we will write? We will write 30. Why 30? Look, 2 times 2, 4, we can out. So 5 times 3 is a 15, 15 times 2 is a 30. So 30 and here is 3 times 30, and it will become 90 divide 120. We have to make same denominator. In the first question, comparing fraction with same denominators, in the different denominators we have to make same denominators. Now look, 2 by 5, 2 divide 5. So here is 5, we have to make this one 120. So here we will, so 5 will be out. In this case 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is a 24, right? 24 times 5 is a 120. Now similar thing, 2 times 24, here is 48, right? Now 1 by 6, 1 by 6, here is also 120 is our denominator. So 6 times 20, how it will become 20? Look, 3 times 2, 6 we cannot use, so 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 5 is a 20, right? Now 1 times 20, it will become 20, and final fraction is 5 by 8, 5 divide 8. Here is also common denominator is 120, so here is 8 times what? 8 we will out. So in this case 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8. So this 8 we will not use. So here we will use 15. 15 times 8 means 120. So 5 times 15, here is a 75. Now look, in the first fraction we are using same denominators. Here is also all the fractions denominator become 120, it means same. Now which one is larger? Larger is 90, right? So our large fraction is what? 3 by 4. Or we can write like this. Which one is smaller? Here is smaller is 48. We can write like this. Now smaller is 20 by 120. So 20 divide 120. Then 48 divide 120. Then 75 divide 120. Then 90 divide 120. Okay, so 20 by 120 is 1 by 6. Then 48 by 120 is 2 by 5. Then 75, it means 5 by 8. And finally 3 by 4. Here larger fraction is 3 by 4. Very simple. So here most important things, make all the fractions similar denominators. Okay, if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget, click on bell button.